Anastasia here, and I'm sure you can tell by the title of this video that this is going to be an ash blonde tutorial. So we're going to be dyeing our 613 hair the perfect ash blonde. So let's get started. So right now I'm just showing you guys my wig. I got this wig from a personal vendor, and I also have an extra bundle because I wanted it to be a little fuller. So it's a 150% density wig, and then I added another bundle. So right now I'm just spraying some Got To Be Free spray to create a barrier to protect the lace for the dye that we're about to use. And right now I'm just securing the wig to my mannequin head with some T-pins. Alright, so I'm going to be using 3 boxes of the Revlon Ash Blonde dye, and I'm going to use 2 boxes of the Light Ash Blonde. I have 2 different brushes, one small for the roots, one big for like the bulk of the hair, and I'm just going to mix all the dye together. Okay, so once all the dye has been mixed together, I'm going to start from the bottom of the wig, and I'm going to saturate this whole wig with this hair dye. I have 5 boxes of dye, so that was definitely enough, and I wouldn't say to get any less than 5. You could get 6 if you wanted, but I think 5 should be the minimum. But I'm just going to saturate the hair. Now that the hair is saturated, you can already see it started to process and get rid of some of those yellow undertones. And I'm just going to place a plastic bag over it and let it process for 20 minutes. So I've rinsed the dye out and shampooed the hair, and you can see there's a huge difference. The wig looks a lot more pale, and you can really see those ash blonde tones. So now I've just separated off the frontal part of the hair, and I'm going in with my small dye brush, and I'm using just a regular brown dye. I forgot which specific brand I used, but I'm just using the brown to create dark roots on the frontal part of the wig. So I shampooed and blow dried the wig, and this is what it looks like. I went and got this wig installed, and this is the final look. I threw some curls in it. It looked really pretty. I'm actually really happy with the outcome, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe.